One last thing I still want you to tell me is that you have a really good LinkedIn post. It's talking about the locking errors in Salesforce. Am I right?
Yeah, so often when you're pushing a lot of data, you end up with locking issues. And 95% of that, it's self-imposed. I think what makes this post so popular is that not so much that it tells you how to avoid it, but it really kind of dives into how Salesforce works underneath the hood. If you update a record in Salesforce, a master detail, it locks the parent record. And what happens is if I'm pushing a batch of 200 records and there's 200 contacts in there, and let's say three of those contacts apply to the same account, it's
Which
only
is
going to
quite
lock the
often.
account once. Yes, it's only going to lock the account once. If I'm now pushing serial batches and these three contacts are in three separate batches, that's three locks. See what I'm saying? And not only they're three locks, because they're all going at the same time, guess what? You have a lock collision because they're both trying to lock the record at the same time, or all three of them are trying to lock the record at the same time. One might win, none might get it. Most likely, it's just going to retry. Salesforce will retry 10 times. And then eventually it will go through. But the truth be told, locking is a very expensive operation in terms of time and CPU. The retries are expensive. So it just ends up going very slow. And then people are like, why is my load going so slow? But they don't realize is that Salesforce under hood is, let me get the lock. You can't get the lock. Retry. Let me get the lock. Can't get the lock 10 times. And then you have three records. So guess what? That's 30 times potentially. And then it gives up and fails.